Yo guys, Incredibox Sprunki on iOS and Android. This is what we're talking about today. If you wonder how to do that, join me by watching the whole video. First things first, make sure your power saving mode is turned off. I'm doing that by turning it on and off again. Same thing for iOS devices. Now here is the place where I was able to get Incredibox Sprunki on my phone, as you can see right here. By the way, you don't need to note it down, as you will surely see it during the entire video. I'm searching for the game's name to find it easier. There are also many other tweaked apps here which I tested, and they're great. About 400 users online, meaning this is an active tool. I'll click on Start and wait for it to load. So many users are using this as far as I see. I'll click on Android because that's what I'm using at the moment. But as you can see, it's also available for iOS users. Now it's loading. Meanwhile, I want to tell you that if this is your first time doing this, they might ask you for an additional step. But don't worry, guys. In case that happens, they always provide everything you need for a clear and smooth process. Alright, guys, let's check the game and see if it works fine. I will speed up the loading so you don't have to waste your time watching the screen. And yep, here you go, guys. I got the Incredibox Sprunki game and it works fine without any problem. Unfortunately, I forgot to record my phone's screen while doing this video so you can hear the music live, but I will put another video above this one so you can see an example. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you really enjoy this game. Don't forget to smash that like button and press the subscribe button if this video helped you. Have a nice day.